Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing some mini twists into my hair. Whenever you see me posting a video about like a protective style or anything, just know I have had enough of my hair. Not that my hair offended me or anything, it's just I am tired of it. I'm going to be starting on freshly washed hair. As you can see, there's still some products in my hair. I had applied a leave-in conditioner into my hair like right after I deep conditioned. That's why you can still see the residue thanks to me being low porosity. My hair is very moisturized though, and I'm just ready to start installing this twist. To part my hair, I'm going to be using this parting mirror I got off of Amazon. I'm going to link it down below, and this has just been a lifesaver for me. Like, doing my hair has never been easier. It is a lot less stressful because the setup is very portable. I don't have to worry about too much. I just have to install this. Honestly, this is the best thing I've ever invested in my natural hair journey. Like, before when I do my hair, I'm the one that always say, oh, I don't care about parts, I don't care about parts, I don't care about if it's straight or not. But in reality, I kinda do. It's just I don't have the energy of doing one mirror in the front, one mirror in the back, and then doing my neck like ostrich, trying to figure it out. So this is a very good investment. Like, I'm so happy that I came across this. That is even the reason why I decided to record this video in the bathroom, because there's a door here and then you can see the entire process. I'm starting to part my hair now, and it's like I want to cry. I'm going to be parting the back of my hair, you know, the first section. I like to start in the back because that is when, you know, trial and error can be more forgiving. And after I get my parts straight, I'm going to just apply butter into the section. I don't necessarily need to re-wet my hair or apply any other product except the butter, because my hair is very moisturized, and I literally washed my hair 30 minutes before installing this mini twist. I'm going to tag the leave-in conditioner I used in the description box because it is really good. Like, the moisture lasts for days. It delivers continuous moisture to my strands, and that is really why I don't stress about like remoisturizing my hair during this process. The most I'll have to do is spray my strands with water, and that is if my hair, or when my hair fully absorbs the coil milk. The leave-in actually is a coil milk, and I guess there's not really that much of a difference between them, only that coil milks are usually like more thicker. It's like a middle ground between a leave-in and a styling cream. So I just like to call it a leave-in because it's not like strong enough to be used as a styling cream, but it is very moisturizing though. When I am doing mini twist, it is very important for me to moisturize my hair thoroughly. Like, I want my hair to have the highest amount of moisture possible, like the healthiest amount it can have, before like installing the mini twist, because the whole point of me doing this hairstyle is to keep my hands off of my hair, to give my hair a break, to retain all the length I'm going to get in this time period. And I don't want to like worry about like, oh, my hair is not moisturized. I don't want to like, you know, like cause more harm than good. You shouldn't manipulate your hair if it's not moisturized in the first place. And you cannot achieve juicy twist if there is not substantial amount of juice in your hair to begin with. That one is dehydrated twist, that one is testy twist. It's just going to defeat the whole purpose of this style. Installing these twists is actually simple. What I do is, you know, section my hair, apply the butter, and 2-strand twist until the very end. I also make sure to not borrow hair from either section. Borrowing hair from sections is begging for tangles, it is begging for headache, and yeah, you don't want to stress yourself out when it is time to do the takedown process. The goal of this style is to retain length. If you are installing it in an unhealthy way by like, you know, not moisturizing, by borrowing hair and not being patient, you're going to lose a lot more length before you even install it, and that is just rubbish. Like, that is wasted. That is a waste of time. This hairstyle is really good for length retention because you have no ability, like 0 to no ability to cause breakage to your hair if you leave it alone and if it is moisturized adequately. There's a reason why people with locks grow their locks pretty long. Reason is that they're retaining 100% of the length they get every single month, because their hands is not in their hair. Like, they're not overly manipulating their hair. Most especially the ends of their hair is protected, because the ends of our hair is much more prone to breakage, and just exposure to like manipulation, exposure to our toxic way of treating our hair can cause it to break off. So if the rate of breakage is equal to the rate of hair growth, you're always going to remain at a hair growth plateau. Honestly, no amount of hair growth oil, no amount of magical potion, no amount of herbal remedies, even whatever I tell you, no amount of that can help to resolve a hair growth plateau if you're not working on breakage. And to reduce breakage, I strongly advise that you incorporate low manipulation hairstyles like these. Like, mini twist is really good for low manipulation hairstyle. Low manipulation hairstyle is literally what it is. Low manipulation. You are not in your hair too frequently. Our hair texture is very prone to breakage because the way the coils and kinks are shaped, and just manipulation of that causes more tangling. Imagine your hair was straight. If you comb it from root to down, is a straight line. But natural hair, you're gonna have to do zigzag, bounce back. Like, there's a lot of things to do in order to get our hair properly maintained. Imagine doing that every single day, or imagine doing that so frequently. You're gonna get a lot of breakage. Like, natural hair will break to a certain extent naturally. Like, there's no way to like be 100% breakage free. But the less you are in your hair, the more likely you are to retain length, and the more likely you are to see the hair growth that is actually happening on a monthly basis. Hair growth is simple, and length retention is simple. With hair growth, the goal is to maximize your hair growth rate. Length retention, the goal is to keep the hair growth that you see. How do I achieve hair growth? You incorporate herbs into your routine. You massage your scalp, you increase blood circulation, you do all those good things to get your scalp in a healthy condition. And for length retention, you protective style, you put your hair in low manipulation hairstyles. And with both of them combined, you're more likely to achieve your hair goals. The most difficult part of all this is patience, time, and dedication, which are some things lazy naturals like me lack. And that is why I highly recommend this hairstyle for people like me. As always, I'm going to apply the untamed growth oil to my scalp. I'm going to massage it in because this is a low manipulation hairstyle. This is a protective style, and I want my hair to grow rapidly, wildly, while it is tucked away. This oil contains an infusion of over 10 herbs that just helps to maximize your hair growth rate while also reducing shedding and just balding. It also contains essential oils that helps to increase blood circulation to your scalp. I have a video that explains more about, hair growth and stuff, and I'll link it above in the cards. I am all done with the install, and the next few clips are just going to show you how I like to style my mini twist. I eventually want to lock my hair when I am much older, and that itch is obviously present now, and I am able to scratch that itch now with mini twists. And yeah, I keep my styles pretty simple. I don't overcomplicate it. It is cute, it is really beautiful, and this is a style I'm going to be doing a lot in this year. And on this channel, I think I'm even going to start a series on this mini twists, on this mini twist stuff. That is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.